Today, it is one of the beautiful Syrian sauces or dips that doesn't take much time or effort to prepare. It turns out very nice. The first thing I did was take a potato. I washed it, peeled it well, and then cut it into cubes to boil. There are several ways to make tumia. After I cut the potatoes, I boiled the water, added half a teaspoon of salt, and then added the potatoes to cook. And then I have homemade yogurt. God willing, I will put the recipe for it in the description box below the video. I take about a cup of it, which is a small cup, around 3 tablespoons. I placed it in a strainer to drain well, to ensure the tumia doesn't have any water, so I took 3 cloves of garlic and peeled them. By the time I peeled the garlic and added the yogurt, the potatoes were boiled. Since it is cut into small pieces, it didn't take long to boil. After boiling, I make sure to drain it well from the water. Then I add 3 cloves of garlic into the blender, along with about half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and the juice of half a lemon. I also add just 3 tablespoons of oil. The great thing about tumia is that it doesn't contain mayonnaise or a lot of oil. All its ingredients are healthy. I add the yogurt after straining it. The water that comes out of the yogurt is not wasted, because it has the same benefits as yogurt. After that, I start blending all the ingredients in the food processor until they become very smooth. And every time I blend, I open the food processor and scrape down everything from the side, so that the potatoes become completely smooth. Here, in the name of God, what God wills. It's a blessing, an egg, and very beautiful. It's healthy and economical, with no mayonnaise, no starch, or anything else. God willing, you will like it and enjoy your meal. Thank you.